guys, this is Pooja Gupta. Welcome to Media Mentor. In this video, I'll tell you step by step जय हिंद कॉलेज का फॉर्म कैसे भरना है. लॉट ऑफ यू गाइज आर नॉट एबल टू फाइंड द लिंक, सो लिंक इज देयर इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. वो लिंक पे क्लिक करो एंड स्टेप बाय स्टेप ये वीडियो फॉलो करो. 3 मिनट का वीडियो है. जस्ट वॉच द वीडियो टिल द एंड, बिकॉज जहाँ पे भी आप स्टक हो रहे हो आपको उसका आंसर मिल जाएगा. लाइक स्टेप बाय स्टेप पूरा फॉर्म फिल करके हमने आपको समझाया कि कैसे भरना है. आपका फोटो अपलोड नहीं हो रहा है, आधार कार्ड अपलोड नहीं हो रहा है, पेमेंट नहीं हो रहा है, सो कहाँ पे आप गलती कर रहे हो आपको समझ जाएगा. सो गाइज लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड.
After clicking on the link given in the PDF, you'll be directed to a sign-in page where you have to sign in with your name, email, mobile number and a password to log in. After registering yourself, first step, basic details. Fill in your title. You'd like to be addressed by your first name and last name being compulsory. Middle name is optional. You can leave that. Followed by gender, date of birth, mobile number and email address being compulsory. Your class 12th exam seat number is optional, so you can leave it, followed by Aadhaar card, which is compulsory with numbers only. Coming to the next step, which is uploading your documents, that is Aadhaar card and profile picture. Your Aadhaar card has to be file size less than 500 KB. It can be a JPEG, PNG or PDF. If you face the problem of file size exceeding, there is one solution. You can take your JPG image, convert it to PDF in this website ilovepdf.com, and it can help reduce the file size. And so you can upload the correct file in your Aadhaar card column, followed by a profile picture, which has to be, as said, less than 250 KB. The file size has to be less than 250 KB. Again, it cannot be PDF like Aadhaar card. It has to be JPEG or PNG. Next, you tick the tick mark of declaration, that is, you conform to the terms and conditions, and then again you fill in your name as an applicant and your parents' name. Your parents' name is optional. You can choose to leave that, and then you proceed forward to filling the fees of registration, which is 1000 rupees. You have options of only online payment, UPI, GPay, whatever it is you feel comfortable by. The date mentioned at the end corner is something that you cannot change. It's the date of the application edited, so you cannot fill in, which is compulsory, but you cannot edit the date mentioned there. It is the current date of today or the day that you're filling the form in. Make sure to save your information.
जैसे आप ये फॉर्म फिलिंग प्रोसेस कर रहे हो, मेक श्योर गाइस कि आप इसे सेव करते जाए, सो दैट यू विल नॉट हैव टू रीफिल. समझो लॉग आउट हो गया, कुछ इंटरनेट इशू हो गया, यू विल नॉट हैव टू री एंटर ईच एंड एवरी डिटेल. सो मेक श्योर दैट जैसे ही आप कुछ फिल इन कर रहे हो एक पर्टिकुलर फॉर्म, आप सेव पे क्लिक करते रहो. I hope guys the video was informative. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for a lot of such informative videos on Media Mentor. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.